How to save Chatgpt conversation as PDF. Before we begin guys, if you find this video even a little helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. So let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone and go to the OpenAI.com website. If you are using the Chatgpt app, make sure to log in. After logging in, tap on the menu icon, the two lines on the top left, next to Chatgpt. Here you will see all your saved conversations. Select the conversation that you want to turn into a PDF. Once the conversation is open, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on the share button. Now you will see the print option. Select it. From here, choose Save as PDF. Then tap on Download PDF and finally save. That's it. Your Chatgpt conversation is now saved as a PDF. Now go to your Files app and you will see the saved PDF file there. And guys, as you can see, our Chatgpt conversation has been successfully saved as a PDF. If you face any problem while saving a conversation as a PDF, feel free to ask me in the comments.